Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot cocoa ice cream. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 3 cups of heavy cream. So I have this quart of heavy whipping cream, and I will almost use all of that. Then you need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 hot cocoa packets, just the packets that you buy to make the hot cocoa with the water. You just need the packets. I have the little marshmallows in mine. You don't have to do that. They could just be plain. Then you need 1 cup of mini marshmallows plus more to garnish. Or if you want to use the craft bits, the little tiny marshmallows, those would also be cute, and I think that would be good. And then you need something to put your ice cream in, so I'm using a 9x5 loaf pan. So let's go ahead and get started. In a large bowl, I have my 3 cups of heavy cream, and I'm going to beat that with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Alright, that looks great to me. It took me 8 minutes using my mixer, and it was on medium speed the whole time. So a little bit of it does mess up, but if you do have a whisk attachment or a paddle attachment, it'd probably work better. But like I said, about 8 minutes on medium. So next we're going to fold in our other 3 ingredients. The sweetened condensed milk, the 3 packets of hot cocoa mix, and your cup of marshmallows. Alright, my sweetened condensed milk and my hot cocoa packets are mixed in, and I did use my electric mixer to make sure I got everything nice and combined. Now I'm going to fold in my marshmallows with a spatula. Alright, my marshmallows are folded in, and I just put everything inside my loaf pan and just smoothed it the top of it with a spatula. So now I'm going to add the rest of my marshmallows on top and then put plastic wrap over it and freeze it for at least 5 hours. Alright, my marshmallows are added. I'm just going to put the plastic wrap on and, like I said, into the freezer. Alright, my hot cocoa ice cream just came out of the freezer. It was in there for about 6 hours. So we're going to scoop some out and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Free Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.